Being a part of the 50th PTAP class and how we're just passing the 100th means a great deal to me. I feel like I was just in their seats not too long ago.
So the PTAP program accepts a maximum of 72 students per year. And the reasoning behind this is because we're after quality, not quantity.
I've pretty much always, since I was a kid, I've been on cars. I saw the first Fast and Furious movie and that sparked it.
I think my favorite part about working on cars is simply the understanding of how they go together, how they operate.
Probably the age of 13 or 14, I knew I wanted to work on cars. Got to meet with someone that used to be an old family friend of ours, found out that he went to Universal Technical Institute and then joined the PTAP program as well, and I followed in his steps.
So what I do is I take students who have been accepted into the program and I train them on bumper to bumper for the vehicle for 6 whole months.
During the time that we have a student in PTAP, we have an opportunity to really help them understand the values and the culture of Porsche. What made Porsche special from the beginning? Why are we who we are? And what does that mean when they go out into the workforce every day?
It holds you and everybody to a specific standard, to a high standard that I want to hold myself onto. No cutting corners, no finding the easy way out.
I think my biggest challenge is I've had to learn that when we go home at nights and we have this material that our instructor gives us to learn over, to really sit down and really focus my mind to, this is what I'm here for.
Since we stay in the area, we have been getting together and studying over the material, ensuring that we all understand it.
I've grown really close to these guys and we've become like brothers in no time.
For me personally, the reward is seeing the development of the student. When they come here, many of them, you can see there's some intimidation. This seemed like it was insurmountable to begin with, but it wasn't insurmountable. It just really took, focused application of hard work. And since they direct their energy and their effort to the right things, it all fits together.
This program has been incredible, and the most complex things have been easily explained, and simply understanding the practical examples of what we learn is going to put us miles ahead.
Most of the vehicles that we've made are still out on the road today. So without PTAP, we wouldn't have technicians to be able to service those vehicles.
There is no greater thrill than watching some of the coolest cars on the road get put together in your bay and understanding that you fixed it and you fixed it the right way.
These complex repairs are expected to be performed at a level of excellence that we would describe as perfection. That translates into the customer satisfaction that puts a smile on everybody's face if you're now in that core group of people who have carried on that tradition.